Hello guys, we are Group 1 and we are going to talking about the origin of COVID-19 and expect what is the next pandemic form and what can we do for prevention next pandemic. To know the origin of COVID-19, it is important to find the clues which can be cure of the COVID-19. So first, we will show you the structure of the COVID-19 and how the coronavirus invades into your body and where the coronavirus came from. The coronavirus is an enveloped and positive sense and single-strand RNA viruses of genetic origin. Then, what structure of the virus can be infectious? Coronavirus has a spike protein which shape looks like crown. That's why it's named as coronavirus. And this is real coronavirus in human cell. The spike protein is used by the virus to gain entry to human cells. Also, it makes resistance to antibodies used to disable similar illnesses. It induces endocytosis like this, and then the RNAs are replicated in the human cell and proteins are synthesized to assemble more viruses. The coronavirus has various viral lineages which can be infectious animal to human, and they are easily mutated. The alpha and beta coronavirus genera descend from the bat gene pool, and these are mainly infect bats, but they also infect other species like humans, camels, and rabbits. So then what is differences between these coronaviruses? Is there any significant difference related with envelope or spike protein? Actually, the COVID-19 has similar spike protein sequence with bat coronavirus. So we can speculate the genomic sequence will be mutated. Its protein sequence alignment result is in the reference here. Then, could it be real? Maybe not, but who knows? It could be real someday. The COVID-19, which is mutated one, occurs because of the consumption of wild animal for food. Dewey will explain the detailed infection way of the COVID virus. Thank you.
All right, and thank you, Jisung, for the presentation. And hi, and this is Dewey, and welcome to my part. In this part, let me first introduce about the origins of the COVID-19. And as you can see in this diagram, the COVID-19 or SARS-CoV-2 can be housed in the animal. And then this animal can be consumed as the food and then transmit the virus into the humans. As you can see here, we can treat that is the first patients. And then these first patients, based on some characteristic of the virus, it can easily spread out and become pandemic, as you can see. So what does they say all around the world? As you can see that the topic about the origins of the COVID-19 has become one of the hottest topic in around the world nowadays. Even President Donald Trump has convinced that he has the strongly evidence for claiming that the COVID-19 comes from China. However, we all know that why is pandemic? Why did it become pandemic? Yes, of course, because of the human. Yes. So let's consider about the COVID 2020X. And thanks for Jisung, we have the structure of the the COVID 2020X right here. So let's consider about the old diagram. You can see that. You can see it here. So what if we block each chain of this process? What if, like, let's say we block the host animal, the food, and the first patients? Yes, there will be no pandemics anymore. Or at least we can reduce the chance for facing with the COVID 2020. So let's consider the purpose about the host animal. As you can see in some media, that is the wild animal market in Wuhan City is one of the first place that's reason for the COVID-19. So this is controlling for the wild animal market is also one problem. Other is the poultry farming. Why? Because in the pigs and the chicken, there are some genetics factors that can be similar with the human, and that's why there are some dangerous diseases that can easily transmit to the humans. Like let's say about the Ebola and the bird flu, which you can see in the recent year, very dangerous, and many deaths have been occurred. So about another problem is about the first patient. As you can see here, the first patient, if we do not carefully, which is this first patient, and then he can easily spread out in, and it easily become pandemic. So what will be here? Carefully isolate or quarantine the first patient, and then we can reduce the chance to fail with this again. Thank you.
The World Health Organization attacked this disease as a pandemic level threat. They warned us to be prepared and provided not only healthcare professional guidelines, but also test kits, professional healthcare workers, and equipment, and financial help throughout many countries, developing or undeveloped. There were many countries which closed their borders, Japan, Korea, China, Mongolia, Asian or European countries, which helped the disease to be spread out and to prevent the spreading. Even though it helped the prevention, it caused major impacts on countries' economy and financial problems for businessmen, and it made the public to be in constant fear of the disease. Some countries which rely on tourism also had many backlash from it. There were some countries who used the WHO guideline to a more major and drastic measures. For example, metal rods to separate each person 1.5 meters from each other, or head to toe full sanitation to prevent any skin contamination. That is a drastic move many countries did. Korea, the second most highly rated country with coronavirus, also did many preventions like giving information on internet and SMS or mask providers. If we follow these WHO guidelines, even though the virus originates from anywhere or will originate from anywhere that we didn't expect, if we follow these guidelines, it will help us not only decrease the mortality, decrease the morbidity, decrease the infection, and help us to be more healthy and sustainable, and will help the economy to be stable. The key is teamwork and self-responsibility. Thank you.